Libby Welding, model MEP002A. This is a 5 kW, 60 hertz machine. It's 120, 208, 240, single phase and 3-phase. This was born, this is the hardest part for me, looks like 10 of 85. I purchased this from the Bureau of Forestry. It's a really clean machine. This NATO adapter does not come with it. Okay, so we're gonna go around starts and runs. It's a little wet. It's early morning here. Some dampness on it. The sun didn't dry the dew up yet. It's brand new filters, brand new oil. I flushed the fuel system out. I installed 2 brand new batteries. They're match set. They're model 56s, group 56. One has the cap sticking up, and the other one has the cap sticking down. Made some homemade battery clamps. They'll last forever. Roll the truck over with this in the back. The batteries will stay in place. Stainless steel exhaust. Good air cleaner. This machine only has 40 some hours on it. We'll look along the bottom here. See, it's nice and clean. It ain't all gouged up from the forks and the drunken sailors moving them around. It's got an oil stain here from where yours truly changed the oil and didn't have the filter on right. This is just some moisture from the morning dew, like I said. It's a nice clean machine except for where I slopped this oil. There's an oil filter in there. I put a new filter in it, and when I started it up, oil come out. I didn't have the canister seated right. It's a 2-cylinder Onan diesel engine. Oil's brand new, nice and clean. What else to tell you? There's brand new filters in here. I cleaned the strainer. I flushed this entire fuel system out. These are the fuel pumps in the bottom. There's screens in there. I cleaned them out. That's the fuel pump running. Oh, this has 43 hours. There's the wiring diagram for it. What you hear is the fuel pump running. So we'll fire this up. We ready? Charging. Beautiful machine. If you have any interest, send me a text or an email. Thank you.